Well, after a weekend of extremely cold, extremely blowing snow, we're out here working on the derby cars because it's actually like +2 today, so it's kind of nice. No gloves, no hat, no big wind, super bright with the sun, but all the roads are kind of closed in the gray area because of the drifting snow, and it was just a very bad weekend for weather. So I ended up staying in the house pretty much all day yesterday after I got off work. But today, I was awake at 2 a.m., so I came outside and started kind of hanging out with one of my buddies and building derby cars. Hi guys. We'll go check out his car in a bit. But we have the Mini Cooper being built. We have the hole cut in the hood, we have the battery ran, we have the gas lines ran. We got the battery and gas tank in it. If you guys are wondering why I put the gas tank there, I plan on using the back of this car, so I don't really want it in the back. So it's a very small car, and it's kind of a big gas tank mount, so kind of limited to where I could put it. But we got the battery in there, we got the gas tank in there, we have the fuel system running. This is a no return car, so it kind of makes running the fuel lines a little bit easier. We still have to put the window bar in, we still have to take out the rest of the windows. Still driver's side airbag, a little bit stuff left to do. I don't know if I'm going to put a cage in this. I kind of want to put a post-to-post just because of the gas tank. But yeah, we'll have to go for that. But yeah, this is how it looks as of right now. I'm thinking about doing a radiator delete and just looping the lines, but I haven't got that far yet. I still haven't figured out what is seized down here, but I definitely think it's the alternator. So I probably will be running without a water pump, alternator, power steering, any of that fun stuff. So yeah, I don't think it's going to do fantastic, but I've always wanted to see a Mini Cooper inside the ring. We can't do bumper swaps. This is a very, very stock show, so it kind of works out to our advantage because it's like you're running against other stock cars, so it kind of equals out. It's not the best stock car, this one, but there is worse choices. But yeah, so it does run, it does drive, it does stop. We have to take off the rest of the exhaust. Little things left to do, but it's coming along pretty good. I'm overall pretty pleased with it. It's not that big of a pain to build yet. I'm going to start moving some of the electrical now and pretty much doing that. But let's go check out Eddie's car. We got Eddie's car over here. This is an Elantra. He's just running his fuel lines and his battery cables right now. This is a car that I bought a year ago and my cousin drove for a year, and then now I'm renting it to Eddie for the demolition derby. He's got his gas tank mounted in the back seat. Again, this is going to be a very, very stock show. He's building to the same rules as me, so there's not a whole lot we can do. He's going to put his battery in the battery in the passenger seat. But other than that, this one's coming along fairly well as well too. The derby's in about 2 weeks, so we're gonna leave the glass in a little bit longer so it doesn't fill with snow. But he's brought a lot of his own cage material. He's probably gonna start putting all this stuff in there shortly, either today or another day. But the building of the derby cars has started for 2022. So we got the Elantra and we have the Mini Cooper. I don't think this thing's going to be overly fantastic, but I've never seen one go before, so I figured it'd be different for me, it'd be different for the channel, and it'd give all you guys something different. I like to do one weird car a year. Last year was that Civic. I even got a newer Civic here now. I guess the one I had, I thought it was a 2013, but I guess it was an old model 13. This is a 2013, and this is the new model 13. So I guess that's a switch over a year. But anyway, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna start moving some electrical and maybe taking out a couple more windows, and that's just probably about it for today. There's not a whole lot left to do on this. Drop the gas tank, the exhaust, windows, and electrical, window bar, mount the fuel pump switch. I can put 2 pieces of threaded rod in the front of this. Will I do it? I'm not sure. We'll see. So today Eddie's taking out the battery and the gas tank and put his gas tank and his battery in, and he's got it to run again. He's stripped out a lot more stuff. So you know what? He's done quite a bit today on this. He's still got the windows, the cage, clean up a bit of wiring. Took off the hubcaps. That was a tough task, you know. But he's gonna put this away until next weekend when he comes, because he's only got one more weekend to build it. So he better come ready to work next weekend. He's also cut the cat off and the exhaust. There you go. And mine, I didn't get to any of the electrical, but we got to head out here shortly, so I got all the windows out of it. These ones here were some Torxes. As soon as I tried undoing them, I stripped them, so they were smashed. These ones I was actually able to cut out, which is awesome because they're like big wraparound windows. And I took out the gas, well, I didn't take out the gas tank, I disconnected the gas tank, put my gas tank in, my battery in, and cut a hole in the hood, and the windows is pretty much what I did today. So let's see this thing be put away. So I think that's probably going to be most of the problem with that car, is just getting traction. It's a 4x100 bolt pattern, but the problem is that the offset's really weird, so I can't throw older Honda Civic or Corolla rims on it. I think they are very specific rims for the Mini, and I sold them because I thought I was smart and thought they were 4x100 and I can just throw Hondas on, but I was wrong. But she's put away so she won't get snow on it. Thanks everybody for watching. This is the one thing I hate about winter derbies, is just it's icy everywhere. So thanks for watching. If you guys want to see that thing get smashed, make sure you come back and watch it get smashed in a couple weeks. Take care, guys. See you back here later on Zach's Workshop.